Stay Grubio Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 7th standard matriculation maths. The topic is ratio and proportions, exercise 9.6. Question number 6. Rupees 6,000 is borrowed at the rate of 8% per annum. Find the simple interest. We need to find out the simple interest and amount to be paid after 3 years. Okay, here what are the things are given here? Principal is given, principal equal to rupees 6,000 and rate of interest or equal to 8% and time equal to 3 years. So we need to find out simple interest and amount. Okay, first find out the simple interest. Simple interest equal to principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100. So principal here 6,000 into 8 into 3 divided by 100. Okay, cancel this 0, 1 0, 1 0, another 0. Okay, so what is remaining? 68 into 3. Okay, so 60 into 8 3s are 24. Okay, now multiply this. 6 4s are 24, 4 remaining 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, and here 1 0 is there, that you have to put it. So simple interest equal to rupees 1,440. Is it clear children? So we are finding the simple interest. The formula P or T by 100, 6,000 into 8 into 3 divided by 100. So we cancelled these two zeros. What is remaining in the numerator? 60 into 8 into 3. When we multiply this, what we are getting? 1,440. This is the simple interest. Next we need to find out the amount. Okay, so what is the formula children for finding the amount? What is the formula? Amount equal to principal plus interest. Okay, see here principal here 6,000 plus interest 1,440. So when we add this, what you will get children? 6,000 plus 1,440 will get 7,440. So what is the amount here? 7,440. Is it clear children? Shall I move on to the next one? See the next question. At what rate of interest? So we need to find out the rate of interest, or we are going to find. Okay. Well, a sum of money double itself in 16 into 2 by 3 years. Here time is given. Okay, but principal here one condition only is given. Okay, the sum of money double itself is given. How many years after that? 16 into 2 by 3 years, the principal should be double. Okay, so let us consider, let the principal be x, rupees x. Okay, then time is given, time equal to 16 into 2 by 3 years. Just convert into improper. 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 2 50, 50 by 3 years. Okay, so which one we are going to find? Rate of interest. Okay, so amount, what I told children, after 16 into 2 by 3 years we are getting double the principal. Okay, so here principal we are considering x. So amount equal to principal plus interest. What they told, what is there in the principal, it will be double they told. Okay, so here x is there, so amount should be 2x. Okay, amount equal to 2x. Okay. First write the formula, children. Amount equal to principal into 1 plus RT by 100. Here you substitute the values. Okay. So amount value 2x equal to P value x 1 plus, or we are going to find, just keep it as it is, into time 50 by 3 divided by 100. Okay. So 2x, this multiplications will change other side, divisions. You bring it here. Okay. So 1 plus, here 50 or by, here 3 into 100, what it becomes 300, because see here 50 by 3 divided by 100. Okay. So 50 by 3 into 1 by 100. So it becomes 300. Do you understand, children? X cancel, 2 equal to, here now one is whole number, another one is fraction. So we need to take LCM. Here there is no denominator, here the denominator is 1 only. Okay. So I am going to take LCM 300. 1 into 300, the LCM is 300. So I need to multiply with the 300. So 300 plus 50 R. Okay. Now you cross multiply this. 2 into 300, what you will get, children? 600. So 600 equal to 300 plus 50 R. Okay. Just R alone you keep it here. This you transfer that side. So 600, the plus 300 will change, minus 300 equal to 50 R. Okay. 600 minus 300, what you will get, children? 300. So 300 equal to 50 R. Okay. So here 50 into our multiplications. Multiplications will change other side, division. So 300 divided by 50 or equal to 300 divided by 50. So 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. Okay. So R equal to, rate of interest equal to 6%. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. Here amount equal to principal into 1 plus RT by 100. Here amount value 2x, principal x, 1 plus rate of interest we are going to find. So R into 50 by 3 divided by 100. Okay. When we multiply this, what we are getting? 50 R by 300. Next what I did? I take the LCM. Okay. LCM 300. So 300 plus 50 R. Okay. Next you cross multiply this. 2 into 300 you will get 600 equal to 300 plus 50 R. Okay. So this 300 you transfer that side. Okay. Additions will change other side, subtraction. So 600 minus 3x, what you are getting, children? 300 equal to 50 R. So R equal to 300 by 50, we are getting 6%. Is it clear, children? See the next one. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 1344 in 3 years. Okay, the amount is given here. Okay, in 3 years we are getting this much of amount, and 1440 in 5 years. Okay, find the sum and rate of interest. Sum means principal we need to find, and rate of interest or we need to find out. Okay, children. So amount in 3 years is equal to principal plus interest of 3 years. How do you find that amount, children? Principal plus interest. Here 3 years is given. So principal plus interest of 3 years. If we add this, we are getting this much amount. Okay. Equal to rupees 1344. Okay. Next. Amount in 5 years equal to, it means principal plus interest of 5 years equal to rupees 1440. This is equation 1, this is 2. Okay. Now I am going to subtract these two. Okay. So equation 2 minus equation 1 implies, see here equation 2, here 5 years, amount in 5 years, this is amount in 3 years, amount in 5 years and amount in 3 years. Okay. So what is the difference between these two? 5 minus 3 will get 2 years. Okay. So interest of 2 years equal to, we have to subtract this. When we subtract this, we will get the interest amount. 1440 minus 1344. So subtract this, 1440 minus 1344. 10 minus 4, 6, becomes 13, 13 minus 4, 9, 0, 0. So what we are getting? 96. This is the interest of 2 years. Interest of 2 years. So I need to find out interest of 1 year. Okay. So interest of 1 year equal to 96 divided by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, remaining 1, 8 twos are 16. So interest of 1 year equal to 48. Okay. Here next I am going to find the interest of 3 years. Okay. So interest of 3 years equal to, so now I have interest of 1 year. So I am going to find interest of 3 years. So we need to multiply. Okay. 48 into 3. 3 8s are 24, 4 remaining 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So interest of 3 years equal to, interest of 3 years equal to rupees 144. Next, from equation 1 we get, what is the equation 1? Principal plus interest of 3 years equal to rupees 1344. Okay. In this, the interest of 3 years we found it, that we are going to substitute. So principal plus interest 144 equal to 1344. So principal equal to 1344 minus, because additions will change other side, subtraction. So 144. Now subtract this, 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 1 2, 1. So 1200. This is principal. Next we need to find out rate of interest. Okay. So R equal to simple interest into 100 divided by principal into time. Here you substitute the values here. R equal to simple interest 144 into 100 divided by principal 1200 into time 3 years. Okay. So 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, remaining to 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 ones are 12, 12 4s are 48. So R equal to 4%. So the rate of interest equal to 4%. Is it clear, children? The next one, a lady deposited rupees 5,600 in a company that gives an interest of 10 into 1/2% per annum. find the amount she gets at the end of 9 months. Okay. So here principal equal to rupees 5,600. Then rate of interest equal to 10 into 1/2 percentage and time equal to 9 months. Just converted into years, 9/12 years. Because in 12 years we are going to find only 9 months. Okay. So simple interest equal to, first we need to find out the interest, after that we are going to find the amount, because the amount equal to principal plus interest. So we need the interest value. Okay. So simple interest equal to PRT by 100. So here you substitute the value 5,600 into, just convert this, 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 1, 21/2 percentage. So 21/2 into time 9/12 divided by 100. Okay, cancel the 0. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16. 4 threes are 12, 7 threes are 21. 2 twos are 4, 14 twos are 28. Then 2 ones are 2, 7 twos are 14. So what is there in the numerator place? 7 into 7 into 9 divided by 1. Okay. So what you are getting, children? 49 into 9. 9 nines are 81, 1 remaining 8, 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 8, 44. So what is the simple interest, children? Simple interest equal to 441. Next we need to find out the amount. So amount equal to principal plus interest. So here what is the principal here? 5,600 plus interest 441. Now you add this 1, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 remaining 1, 1 plus 5, 6. So amount equal to rupees 6,041. I hope it is clear. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.